Hi, I'm told by some students that they are not in a position to have continuity in their studies. I mean, they study for a few days with lots of zest and lot of energy, and after a few days they have got a low, and then again they kind of struggle to come back, and then again they come back, and then goes for a few days, then again goes down. I think today I would like to talk to you about how to attend and defend your continuity, how to ensure that there's a continuity. I suppose let's start by saying that when we are driving to a particular place, we don't keep our throttles pressed at a particular level all the time. It goes up and down. We even change gear. We change even a little bit of orientation. This is natural. This is bound to happen. You can't expect that you'll be going like that. There will be some ups and downs. There will be some ups and downs. But the important thing is that if you have factor in your mind, the road to success is not a straight line. It goes like this. What to do when you are on the lower point? Are you waiting for somebody to throw rope and pull you out? Or you knew it is going to come back? Well, it will definitely come back. There would be something which may have caused it go down, or something which has let it stay there for a long time. Identify the cause and vaccinate that. It is possible. Vaccinating the cause which is causing the downslope or kind of continuation of a lower situation in your preparation, well, this if it is vaccinated, I suppose it can be done. Also, I would like you to somehow feel what you would have when you have finally accomplished your goal. If you have that feeling somehow brought into your system, how would you feel your first day in the office? How would you take decisions? What kind of people would have to support? What kind of help that you can give to somebody? I'm sure this discontinuity that may have come to stay for a few days for you, this will start running away. Remind yourself in the whole range of existence of the accomplishments that you have got. This is a very effective tool, and I have seen that it works on lots of students. Just close your eyes. Think about the happiness that you will bring to the people who would see your result and be happy with you. I suppose that is a great motivator to pull you out of it. Also, respect the job that you have in your hand. I mean, sometimes we don't like something and don't like the process of something. Since the syllabus is cast and you don't have a choice about the syllabus, I would imagine start liking it. Instead of kind of finding a reason for not effectively working, start liking that. And that would definitely help you challenge your limits. You always know that your reach is higher than your hold, where you are standing is a very comfortable position, but where you can pull yourself is far more important and significant. Challenge your limits, and that's something which is very effective. Another tool I often talk about is time boxing. If something which is not getting done in a particular time, do not stay with that same objective for longer than the time that you may have allocated. If the time finishes, just move on. Goal accomplished or not accomplished doesn't matter. For the people who get topped in the country, their score is about 52%, 53%. So 48, 47% of their shortfall is there as far as the fuller accomplishment is concerned. So don't chase the fuller accomplishment. They often say that better is the biggest enemy of good. Keep doing some good. Better will happen automatically. So I suppose when you are actually finding this lack of continuity, this lack of continuity is because of something which has happened to you which is not to your satisfaction. Identify those factors, have them attended, and I'm sure you can always bounce back to the higher level that you got. Be prepared. You're not going to be there for you all the time. And then also at the same time, you would come back and then you again come up. So if you are aware, prepared that I'm going down and I'm going to come back by evening, maybe tomorrow, by Sunday, well, you're there. You have never lost your own control. That is vital, and that's what I basically wanted to achieve. My best wishes are there with you.